This band file belt sander is ideal for automotive, industrial, and metalworking repair. It's cordless, which means no bulky cords or hoses to get in the way. Its arm adjusts to any 360-degree location to access a variety of surfaces. The tool's features also include a belt adjustment screw, compression stopping, and 2-speed setting. It also has a forward-reverse switch. This tool comes with two 60-grit sanding belts. Do you need the perfect tool for grinding, sanding, and debarring? We have the best price on this Milwaukee M12. Shop JB Tools and save.